Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code CE-32930-7. This error often indicates corrupted application data or storage issues on your console. Always start by verifying your internet connection is stable and working correctly, perhaps by testing another device. Next, completely power down your console and your internet router. Wait for about 30 seconds, then power them both back on. These simple steps often resolve many temporary glitches, getting you back to gaming quickly and efficiently. If basic restarts do not resolve the issue, your next step is to rebuild your console's database. This process helps reorganize and clean up your console's internal file system without deleting your games, applications, or saved data. First, completely turn off your console. Ensure it is not in rest mode. Once fully off, press and hold the power button. You will hear one beep immediately, then a second beep after about 7 seconds. Release the button, and your console will be in safe mode, ready to select the Rebuild Database option. Next, it is important to check your console's storage and identify any potentially corrupted data. Full storage or corrupted files are common culprits for the CE-32930-7 error. Navigate to your console settings, then find the Storage or System Storage Management section. Here, you can see how much space is used and by which applications. Look for any games or applications that appear corrupted or have unusual file sizes. Delete those problematic items, especially any related to the game where the error appeared. This often resolves the issue. As a final troubleshooting step, if the error continues, completely uninstall and reinstall the problematic game or application. This ensures a fresh, uncorrupted software version. If after trying restarts, database rebuild, and data management, the CE-32930-7 error still appears, contact official customer support. They can offer advanced diagnostics or recommend a repair. Remember to regularly back up your important game save data to cloud storage or an external drive, preventing any future loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.